no talking. You claim I'm a bitch, but you shouldn't be talking. Cause I made you my bitch when I was up in bed stalking. He don't get no bitches, yeah, he just be tossing. He scared of the hoes, he freeze when they talk. He mad I expose him, so we get the brawling. One punch to the gut, now that nigga coughing. Yeah, I stomp on like a goober, then I pull off in a Rari. I'm whipping this hoe like it's Mario Kart. I got these shells, them bitches hit hard. Creep on a nigga like a boo in the dark. These niggas be mad cause I'm up on the charts. I ain't the hardest rapper on this platform. These other boys, they just be rappers and actors. Yeah, run or get done up if you an attacker. And I'm with a thick bitch, her sweater say Thrasher. Y'all niggas need Jesus, so I'm calling the pastor. I carry this city and my motherfucking back hurts. You niggas just mad because I ain't no bastard. That pussy ain't bout it, just being a capper. He finna get robbed if he keep up that flexing. If he keep on flexing, then gang gonna test him. I'm getting hit from a goth and a Lexus.
What was her name?
I think it was Alexis. I'm with the gang that's like 17 steppers. My phone stay on silent, man, fuck a little message. They call me a dog cause the money I be fetching. And they call me Kash cause they know I be checking.